Welcome back, graduates, to another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed. So far we've already taught you how to add this beautiful parallax feature that supports both video from YouTube, Vimeo, as well as images. And it also has a lot of different options, overlay options, animations. Go watch the video here. You'll see a video here, a link here to go and see that video if you haven't seen it already. And we also taught you how to add an FAQ to your Dawn theme. And these two sections work on all themes. A lot of the tutorials we teach you that we're going to be teaching you work on all themes. There's going to be some things that will not work on all themes, but we'll always let you know. But today we're going to be focusing on this Instagram feature, where you can display your images, the likes, the comments. It's going to be a good tutorial. And you also have this little area here where you can follow and add a little kind of a message. So anyways, let's get right to it. As always, I have the files ready for you. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step by step. So please follow along. If you have any issues, please comment below, and I will try to get to all of you as soon as possible. It's always difficult to comment back to all the comments. All right, I'm rambling already. So as always, we start off in our dashboard under Home. You're going to want to click on Online Store. You'll automatically select Themes, and you want to go to the theme that you want to edit. And this is the theme that we want to edit. So I'm going to edit code in a new tab, and then I'm also going to have the customizer in a new tab, ready to rock and roll. All right, so here we are. Let me close out all of these. We don't need these open at all. And this is the customizer. And I'm going to show you that does not have an Instagram feed. Shopify, you take forever to load. I don't know why. We have gigabit internet, and this thing still crawls. I don't know. Comment below. Do you guys have trouble loading your online editor? I don't know if I'm the only one. So add section, and you will see that there is no Instagram. We got the FAQ from the last video, as well as the parallax image video media content section. I need to come up with a better name for that. All right. So what we want to do is we want to go to sections, and we're going to call this eg-instagram feed. Hit enter. Now you're going to want to get your text editor or code editor out. Like I always advise you, you should probably get a code editor like VS Code or Sublime, but Notepad will work for this. So you want to get your file. You see this file right here, and just drag it over. And what you want to do is copy this text, paste it in, and then smack save, like you should be smacking the subscribe button. Please, seriously, it helps. All right, that is there, and I'm gonna tell you, all you gotta do is smash this refresh button, just like you smash the subscribe or like button, or both. And now you go all the way down here, and let me show you something awesome. Bada bing, bada boom, we got it, it's here. Now, you have a few options. You have a lot of options, actually. So you have to add new blocks, and you have to select your image. So we'll go and select this image. And then you can change the height and the width. You can add a link to the actual post. Now this is not an automatic Instagram feed because Instagram changed their APIs. They no longer can just pull in images. That is something we are working in the background. If you guys are interested, working with us to develop something like that, let me know in the comment below. You can also subscribe to the channel, and we'll announce when we release these things. We have a lot of different things we're going to be launching this year, and I'm very excited for it. We have some apps in development. We've got themes in development. We've got a whole plethora of things in development. And anyways, let's keep going here before I get distracted. So you can add your like counts. Well, I have 1,000 likes because I'm so popular. 5,000 comments because I'm even more popular. And you hover over it, and look at that. How beautiful is that? It looks great, right? So we'll just hit save. Now let's go to the actual main settings. Now you can change the background color, which is what I like to do. You can wrap it in a container, and you can change your text color. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. What do we got here? So we got button colors. You can do secondary, and again, this works on all devices. I mean all themes. Sorry. And again, someone was asking me about the padding. What does that do? What it does is your padding is the space inside of. You see how this is a gray box here? Like this right here is like gray area. Padding is the space inside here, and then margins is a space on the outside. So if you want to move things down, you can do that. If you want to add space below it, you can do that, and you'll see that there is space. Now, if you want to make this just thicker, you can do that too. Now, what's awesome is the fact that you can go and we'll just keep adding blocks. Add blocks. Let's add some more. We'll just fill this space up, right? So what we got here is you can do items per row on desktop. So 4, if you want to do, like 3, you can do that too as well. And it also works on mobile. So mobile, we can change this up. We can do, I want to have 3 options per mobile and do it like that. It looks kind of funky, but it is what it is. It works. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, make sure you like it, comment, subscribe. Not in that order, but whatever. Now, we do have a Facebook group, and I would appreciate it if you join that Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded individuals. We're all helping each other out, trying to add new features to our stores and just make them just the best looking branded store ever. So yeah, do that. I promise you, you will not be sorry that you did. So anyways, guys, please comment below also with suggestions. What are you trying to learn? What would you like us to do a tutorial on? Right now we're focused on Dawn theme just because it's a Shopify 2.0 free theme, and we just want to add features to it. Make it a well-rounded, robust theme with our cool little code snippets. So I hope this video helped. As always, guys, until next time.